A little late to the party, y'all. You feel what I'm saying? It's a little after 3. We trying to make it back here by 3 o'clock on the dot. It's 3:09. Technically, we don't really need to be doing much besides looking at checking some things out. That's what we're going to do. We're going to just check out some, you feel what I'm saying? See what's happening. First, let's go check on some of our plays from last week. From earlier in the week. Oh, snap that. Play is looking beautiful. Almost hitting our target. That's a strength play you could just sell out into. Right? That's what I like to think. But let's check our oil play. Then we get an oil play. What happened to it? Ooh, it went down. It went down from where we bought in. But it's keeping the structure. You feel what I'm saying? I'll allow for one fade. But 2 fades and it's a wrap. So I'm still thinking our price could, I'll be following this. I'm following this trajectory. Blah, 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 blah. So shoot. Let's get the stream going. You already know. Like, what up? What we gonna do? We gonna put on our guys? Sure, would you ever hear me talk for a little bit? I talk your ear off, is all I say. Let's see. Want to take a look at something? Would you ever hear me talk for Oh, snap, don't do that. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Okay, your sound seems to be good. We not worried about the sound and all that. Y'all can't just see me, which is all good. If you're looking for me, you have to look at one of my other streams. This is a market stream I want to get into. So let's see what's happening just on some of them other ones we were looking at. Oh, it got the reclaim. I remember we was looking at this one earlier because we said, oh, it was making a move. But it actually got the reclaim of its original move. Let's draw. It's like an echo. Okay, so yeah, we got the reclaim of the original move. This say like I say, I like for it to go 2 weeks. So yeah. Ideally, you would be thinking that our price is going down like that. Oh wait, let me usually make them blue. I got mine. I color coded just a certain way so that I'm what's going on? I'm just seeing what's happening. Oh, that's not right. Okay, so yeah, that's the ill reclaim on the Starbucks. Let's look at the Nike play. In fact, I'm gonna scroll down from here. The Nike play's not doing anything for us yet. It still technically has this zone. I'm not trying to play this Nike play. I'll be honest with you. But, so you guys might be out there looking at it like, oh, snap. What do you think about it? Don't hesitate now, don't you? I know you will. All right. So it looks like it's trying to reclaim into this old zone that it had here. But a lot of times you'll see it shall move like this. And it'll come back down to here. So I'm not worried about that play. And plus, like I said, it's not much meat on the bone to be. I call myself just trying to get. We will be trying to target from here to about there. You know what I mean? That ain't really nothing for real. I'm not gonna say it's nothing. I'm just saying for what I look for and what I look at, that's not where it's at for me. The Netflix play. Look at this, y'all. This joint gonna run. I know it is. It'll probably come back and fill this gap. And if it does, I want to be ready. So I'm gonna set an alert on my. Whoa! Set an alert on here. Where's my damn alert? Oh yeah, I forgot. On And this one, the alert's here. So let's say price is crossing. Whoops. Crossing down? Just crossing, period. At bar close? No. Just once per bar, I guess. Whatever. Looks good. So if we see, if we come back into this area, I hope to get a little bounce. I hope it I come here and it could bounce up and go to our target, which is about right here. As you see, it kind of already went above the target. I like to call it like it expanded above, just like how it did on the Dow earlier. So I'm gonna show you. Shall I show you again about the expand, the expand thing I'll be talking about. So this right here is in the middle of a campaign. I like this play though. This is one of my stocks I like to trade. You know, I know this doesn't have anything to do with the leaps for real, but this is yeah, I don't know. Like I say. Can see it going up there to 18. What 18? Nice little move up. It has time too. So yeah, this is how I view markets and stuff. I mean, I don't know how you guys have been doing it. I really need to upload my long form content videos on YouTube, and even I plug and play a little bit of these systems for you guys to, you feel what I'm saying? Add these into your chart. You know, you can add this whole layout to your chart and call it a day. What time is it? Oh snap! I gotta be head on a swivel. The kids is gonna be coming home. Gotta be head on a swivel, youngin. Y'all think I should stream to Twitch? Twitch was blowing me up. Too many people hit me up on the Discord. Like, hit me on the Discord. I'm like, dude, I'm trying to do a stream. He's like, yo, I really need you to look right now. It's like, yo, I'm doing a stream. But I should have just showed his work on the stream. Damn, I failed. I failed him. All right, so let's see. Where was we saying we was going to go to our Dow play just to check it out, because we said, hold up. Yeah, we said how it expanded. Okay, so if we look at price action yesterday, I don't like to look too far back. I'm not going all the way back far here because as my systems are forward looking, and I know when I'm wrong if certain things happen. Like, you know what I mean? So this, once I seen this expand above this high we was focused on, I said, oh, we have a higher chance of going above the high. Just like if it would have expanded below the low, I'd be like, oh, so we got a higher chance of going back down to them lows. But see, this is a little weird thing. I'll be ready to close out of this position here. Like I said, there's also news tomorrow. There's news tomorrow and Thursday. So you might want to be careful out there if you're trading. I'll be live here. So we'll be live here. Just trying to go over some of the charts. I'm trying to go over what we seeing, what's happening. I'm going to try to be on from like 9 to 11. You know, give you guys some, I don't know, some entertainment for your morning, man. You know, hopefully I can help you guys learn a thing or two here. Still ain't got nobody in the chat. And it's probably because I did crypto. Probably because I did crypto, but you feel what I'm saying? If you know, you know, right? So we got a couple minutes. I just posted a video on TikTok. I just posted a video on TikTok, and they say after you post a video on TikTok, you ought to go on TikTok and start engaging TikTok. So I'm about to go engage TikTok. I need to write some things down on here for y'all. Like, I need to put my TikTok right here. Well, I ain't got my TikTok right here. It should be like, put it right here in the text like this. Question is, what color do I do? Color. I mean, TikTok, I ain't really doing much on there as far as, this is where you'll get the most content from me right now. You know what I'm saying? I'm in the process of brainstorming ideas. I don't just want to be pumping out the same videos that everybody else is pumping out. I want to pump out I want to put out meaningful videos that, one, describe my strategy and how it's done. You know. Also, just some things that break down the psychology of trading type time. So we on this TikTok. I'm trying to engage and see if we get some engagement. I like it. I don't reply to her.
So apparently TikTok's biggest thing right now is trying to figure out who's a real person and who's just an
Who's
AI
phony? Who's fake?
to be agreed. The algorithm is not just watching what you post anymore, it's watching how you move on the app. Are you actually engaging like a real human? Or are you just posting, scrolling, liking random videos, and then wondering why you're stuck at 247 views? But here's what she told me to do. When you see a video that you like, you need to engage from the bottom up. Do not just like and leave. That is bot behavior and TikTok knows. First, watch the whole thing through and then hit the share arrow and then copy the link. You don't even have to share it, just copy it so that TikTok gets that little, oh, she's real signal. Then save it, then comment something like a real human being wrote it. Not just one or two words, something with actual context. Like, I'm trying to grow before my summer trip, or I'm trying to hit 10K before July. Something a Bob would not say. And we're not done yet. So here's the important part that most people are missing. You need to teach your video against the algorithm first. There are a bunch of different ways to do this, but my sister's favorite way is through this app called Go Viral. You upload your TikTok draft into the app, and it literally simulates the algorithm before you post it. It predicts how your video is likely to perform: views, engagement, retention, even comments. And the best part is the improvement section, because it tells you exactly what to fix so your video has a better chance of getting pushed.